Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.
Perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious, or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new.
Because an A chord, or C chord, or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord, hypothetically, let's say, consists of 550 hertz or 240 hertz.
There's greens in there.
Technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
Emotional fluctuation. You have technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.